Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today with the Super Sassy Earring Club. So I found this brand on Instagram, helpful little personalized ads that show up. And this is an earring club where you get monthly shipments. So this is my first one. Came in this envelope. I did find a coupon online for a really good deal that I don't know if it's still out there, where you could get like the first month for $1, and then in months after that it's $9.99 a month. And what I like about this is that the earrings are actually paper. So this is a New Year collection for January. I actually really wish I would have ordered for December because they had super cute. They had super cute holiday themes. But every month is a different theme. So this one is not really my favorite theme, but I did want to try it out. Oops, didn't mean to shake you. So it comes with hooks. So how this works is you pull it down and then you see there's a pair of earring hooks. They also have a book, which I did not purchase. And then the earrings pop out. So yeah, my thing is none of these are like superly my favorite. We'll do bananas. So they pop out. Oops. I just kind of messed that up a little. So be careful when you pop them out. All right, so I popped out a banana. I really like super lightweight earrings. So this is why I really liked this concept. And then you can just pop the paper earring on the hooks. Got these earrings from Shein, and they're super cute and super comfortable. So I really like lightweight earrings, so that's why I'm loving this concept of the paper earrings. That you can do all kinds of fun different designs, but they're still really lightweight. So that is super cute. So I definitely love the concept, and I think like this is not my favorite design wise, but I'm gonna keep doing it and like see what other earrings I get, because I think if I liked the earrings, this is just so up my alley. I love earrings. So you're getting like some new fun lightweight earrings. I think it said when I read up about this that they're gonna have like different designers do it. Super fun, super cute, super lightweight. So overall, yeah, so this collection is by that artist. So overall, I would say huge thumbs up. I'm loving the concept of the Super Sassy Earring Club, and hopefully there will be more designs that I like better coming up soon. Let me know in the comments if you would wear paper earrings or not.